And the Conqueror's leaving now. He's running away. Are you fucking kidding me?
I'm getting shot from the right. God, this one's gonna cost me a lot of fucking money. Get ate up now because some other guys ran away.
Oh yeah, buddy. Yeah, I'm gonna go here and die here in about 5 seconds.
You did.
295 E6 hiding in the back.
Why did they keep pushing on when they fucking should have came back over here?
I don't know, bro.
Go get him, bro. And they missed you, bro, so you can reload.
Man, I'm dead. Garbage fucking team. Garbage.
You reloaded yet, bro? Oh, man, you bounced him. Nice, bro. Oh, that guy missed you just now.
I don't even know if our IS-7 was playing. Super Conk was a piece of shit.
Did you even hit those guys, Coach, where you're at?
No, bro.
No, he can't. He's
Oh my
fighting
God.
for his life.
Yeah.
He's almost dead. Treading
Or just
water.
gotta reload.
The waters. Can you even get out of there?
I could turn around and back out of here, yeah.
You could drive out of there?
I could,
Okay.
yeah. I'm just trying to stay alive, really.
No, I know.
The
You
fuck
let
are
them
artists
tap
doing
out.
way the fuck over there, man?
They ran out of the cap because there was no one there protecting them. Now they're just going to die.
Wow.
They were trying to shoot the Badger. Don't fall, Coach. 12 seconds.
Bro, my bubble guppy ass is hanging in the water.
10, 9. Yeah, but you'll survive.
Yeah.
If you don't die, they don't know you're there.
Dumbass
Oh, one
fucking
got off
lobbies,
the cap.
You could have
One
been
got
helping
off
these
the
guys
cap.
over here.
I was busy getting my ass kicked. It's because nobody was on the AV line except for one fucking heavy tank. And that was a 260, which means he bought it, which means he's probably not a very good player. Yeah, you came over after they broke through the fucking valley. I don't know where. And we had the IS-7. I guess he was AFK. And then we had. Uh-oh, you're detected, Coach.
Yeah, I know.
Nice shot. That's
Oh my
fucking
God.
awesome, dude. He thought he was gonna get an
Here comes
RB
another
kill.
one, bro.
Left flank. He's just gonna ram you. Ah, yeah.
I gotta record that.